Ever dreamed of turning your passion into profit? Creating a blog that actually earns money, say $500 a month, isn't some far-fetched fantasy. It starts with picking a niche you genuinely love, something specific like vegan baking for beginners or budget travel in Southeast Asia. Then focus on creating high-quality content that solves problems or entertains your audience. Think detailed recipe guides, honest product reviews, or practical travel itineraries. Once you've built a small but engaged following, it's time to monetize. Affiliate marketing is a fantastic starting point. For example, if you review camera gear, you can earn a commission when someone buys through your unique link. Another popular method is selling your own digital products, like an ebook on mastering sourdough or a printable budget planner. The key is consistency and patience. It takes time to build trust and traffic. Keep learning, keep creating, and don't be afraid to experiment with different strategies. With dedication, that $500 a month goal is absolutely achievable, turning your blog into a real income stream.